how to fix Capcut templates not showing in PC or on your laptop. Now, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this kind of issue. Now, most of the time, you guys are actually downloading Capcut directly from Microsoft Store. If you pull up the Capcut software client directly from Microsoft Store, you cannot view any available templates or pre-made or customized templates that's going to be there as what it should have regularly because it will not really be visible if you get these application via the Microsoft Store. So all I have to do is to open up your Windows icon here and type in remove and then choose on add or remove programs. Now this is to properly uninstall the CapCut that you have for Microsoft Store. Locate CapCut here and then install it properly. Now next is to re-download CapCut. Open up your preferred web browser and type in CapCut. Now choose one of your first result that will redirect you to CapCut's official site. And this is gonna be the reliable link that you need to download. Once you've fully downloaded this, all the templates, pre-made filters, stickers, and so on and so forth, you should be able to access them. And that's it. That's how you fix CapCut templates that's showing in PC or laptop.